I want to change my line route, and while I'm changing the line route, I want to compare my scenario with an existing scenario and see simultaneously the changes that I'm doing and considering also the catchment area within my analysis. In the configuration, I can define the performance indicators that I want to show. I want to see from the background map the higher education, the schools, and the hospitals. And from the data that I have uploaded, I want to see the population for 2025 for Philadelphia, also population from 2030, and also the employees 25 and 30. All right, let's go back to the map. So on the left side, you can see on the fly the indicators which are get from the catchment area of my existing route. I am in the comparison scenario mode, meaning that while I'm changing, the changes will be shown here on the left side. What I'm going to do is to click on one specific line routes. And what is really cool also here that you can also see the changes that you had on your original route and the changed route. So again, I am going to change my line route. I want to go on the new route, which is on the street. And while I'm changing, the route is matched to the background map. So this route will be the new, and you can see that the old one is also as dashed visualized. And on the left side, you can see the changes in the production indicators, like the service miles, lengths, travel time, but also the cost, and also the differences in the catchment area. So you might wonder why I'm losing so many passengers, employees, and population on the new line. The reason is that we don't have enough stops here, so I'm losing the people that I was catching here. To fulfill that one, I can add some stops here and attach them to my line. So you see that the bubble is created, and I'm getting more passengers. I continue that I also fill the gaps here and also here. And you can see that the population is increased, but the employees that might go to this area are increased comparing to the original route that we had here. To see it in the better way, you can also visualize your background map, like seeing the employees for 2035, and you can see that and you can see that obviously we had more working places here than here, and we could have more workplaces which are filled by my line. Finally, I can create also a nice map from my detour, selecting some style that would match to my map better. The black white is better here. And I can select the area that I want to have my picture for my report and export it in different qualities. I will have also a nice legend here, which is showing which maps I'm exporting, and show better quality of the streets with the street names and export it as a PNG file.